to learn about technologies from the process of constructing this product. The construction of my music magazine, I was able to experiment with and learn about many new technologies such as Photoshop and cloud storage. I used Photoshop previously, so had some experience of using it. However, I wanted to try and use different tools I had not used before. Because I had used Photoshop before, making the preliminary test was fairly easy as I only used simple tools. However, when it came to making the final product, I wanted to push myself a little further, so I watched a few YouTube tutorials to aid me in using Photoshop effectively. I learnt how to properly and effectively saturate the colours in an image to create a dark effect, which is what I did on the image on my little page spread. I think this tool helped add to the overall representation of the genre in my magazine. Kerning is a very simple tool on Photoshop, but can make a huge difference if used correctly. I decided to use small amounts of kerning, as is conventional of this type of magazine. Being able to change the gapping between lines made placing the text on all three of my pages very simple, as I didn't have to create new text boxes every time I wanted to make a new line of text. I had used guides before, but they helped me massively in making sure that everything was in line and looked neat. Grouping was also a very handy tool, as I ended up grouping a lot of my layers in order to move them about easier. This was particularly helpful when it came to resizing the boost on the front cover. Tools I had used before, like the colour picker, were also very useful. As the light green I used as part of my house style wasn't a colour saved on Photoshop, I was able to use the colour picker to select the place I'd used the colour before and save it as a swatch so I could access it easily. Using cloud storage to present all the work was very helpful, as it is quicker and easier to use because all the work is in one place. This is something I hadn't used previously but would definitely use again. Prezi was another great thing to use, as it offered a more professional way to make PowerPoints and was very simple to use. It also helped in making the presentation of my work better.